Not sure how to use your AUX AC remote? Model number YKR-N301E. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your AUX AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. The timer button allows you to set your AC to turn on or off automatically at a specified time. Change the time using the temperature up or down buttons, and the unit will follow the schedule for comfort and energy efficiency. The speed button lets you adjust the fan speed of the AC. You can cycle through options like auto, low, medium, and high, depending on your comfort needs. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Pressing the display button turns the AC remote screen light and information on or off, helping save battery. It also allows you to quickly check or hide temperature and mode settings on the display. Press the turbo button to activate rapid cooling or heating at maximum fan speed. This feature quickly brings the room to your desired temperature in less time. Press the I-Feel button to activate the temperature sensor inside the remote control. This allows the AC to adjust cooling based on the temperature around the remote, not the unit. Press the I Favor button to instantly recall your favorite air conditioner settings. You can save your preferred temperature, mode, and fan speed combination, then activate it with one press for quick, personalized comfort anytime. Want cool air in every corner? Hit the swing button. It moves the air vents up and down, spreading airflow evenly across the room for all-around comfort. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your AUX AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.